Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Unraid and Proxmox. In order to do so, here we are at proxmox.com and we're also at unraid.net. What are the differences between the two? Well, according to the homepage, Proxmox offers a virtual environment as completely open source platform for enterprise virtualization. With the built-in web interface, you can easily manage VMs and containers, software-defined storage and networking, high availability clustering, and multiple out-of-the-box tools using a single solution. The Proxmox Backup Server is an enterprise backup solution for backing up and restoring VMs, containers, and physical hosts. The open source solution supports incremental backups, deduplication, Z-standard compression, and authenticated encryption. Proxmox Mail Gateway is an open source email security solution that protects your email server against all email threats from the moment they emerge. The full-featured mail proxy can be easily deployed between the firewall and your internal mail server in just a few minutes. Unraid, on the other hand, Unraid is an operating system for network-attached storage that lets you use what you have to build the server that you want. Mix and match drives, securely store and share data, and manage VMs and Docker applications, all from a powerful web-based interface. So what is the significant difference between the two? Well, according to AI, Proxmox and Unraid are both popular choices for home server setups, but they cater to different needs. Proxmox is a powerful open source virtualization platform based on Debian Linux, excelling at running multiple virtual machines and containers with high performance and resource management. Unraid, on the other hand, focuses on ease of use and data storage, particularly for media servers. It utilizes a unique array management system that simplifies storage expansion and offers data protection. Unraid is generally easier to set up and manage for beginners, while Proxmox provides more flexibility and control for advanced users. The best choice depends on your priorities. VMs and containers favor Proxmox, while storage and simplicity lean towards Unraid. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. Don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree, and there you will find information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars and some incredible promotions and recommendations for our top AI tools. Click on those links. You'd be greatly helping us out, and we would certainly appreciate it.